Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Emotions and Stories. Our story for today is called The Veil of Deceit. The story takes place in a sprawling ancient Haveli in Rajasthan. Located on the edge of a small village, the Haveli is known for its intricate architecture and rich history, passed down through generations of a prominent family. The year is 1985. The characters: Raghav Singh, young dashing heir of the Haveli, recently returned from studying abroad. He is charming and well liked, but harbors a deep secret about his financial troubles. Aditi Verma. Aditi is a beautiful, intelligent woman engaged to Raghav with a background of aristocracy. However, her sudden wealth in the last few years raises suspicion among villagers. She seems perfect, but there is more to her than meets the eye. Inspector Rajesh Kumar, the local police officer, a man of strong principles but with rough past that sometimes clouds his judgment. He is smart, determined, and deeply passionate about justice. Kamla Bai, a trusted maid in the Haveli who has worked here for decades. Kamla has seen all the family secrets, but she hides her own, including a tragic past involving betrayal. Vikram Mehta, Raghav's best friend and business partner. He is a successful businessman with a hidden agenda, one that could shatter the Haveli's legacy. Karan Singh, Raghav's younger cousin, a mischievous and ambitious man who is eager to prove himself and inherit the family fortune. The story begins with the tragic murder of Raghav Singh. He is found dead in the study, deep stab wound to his chest. The room is locked from inside and no signs of forced entry are found. On the desk lies a small, intricate golden idol, a family heirloom that is said to bring good fortune. It has been stolen from the Haveli's hidden vault, and its disappearance raises suspicion of a connection between murder and theft. Inspector Rajesh Kumar is called to the scene and the investigation begins. The first lead points to Vikram Mehta, Raghav's best friend and business partner. Vikram has been having financial trouble and has been trying to convince Raghav to sell the Haveli and liquidate their assets. However, Vikram denies any involvement, claiming that he had been away for a meeting at the time of the murder. Kamla Bai, the maid, mentions having seen Aditi entering Raghav's study that night of murder, though Aditi insists that she had only gone there to check on him after an argument between the two. Inspector Rajesh finds this curious and starts questioning Aditi's role in the story. As Rajesh digs deeper, he uncovers a web of secrets. Raghav had recently discovered the family's wealth was tied up in a series of illegal deals involving both Vikram and Aditi. The golden idol, a priceless artifact, was actually a symbol of the family's corrupt dealings with a group of powerful business associates. Raghav had planned to expose them all, but before he could, he was killed. In the midst of the investigation, Karan Singh is arrested for murder, as evidence points to him being in Raghav's study that night. But Karan insists on his innocence. He claims that he had been framed by someone with a vested interest in taking control of the family fortune. As the tension builds, the angle of love emerges. Aditi confesses to Rajesh that she and Vikram had been having an affair, and their plan was to kill Raghav and take the family fortune for themselves. But Aditi had a change of heart. She had fallen deeply in love with Raghav and had never intended for him to die. She tried to stop Vikram that night, but it was too late. Vikram, realizing that Aditi's feeling for Raghav could ruin everything, killed Raghav in a fit of rage. However, the mystery isn't quite solved. In a shocking twist, Kamla Bai reveals a crucial piece of information. She confesses that she had been one to hide the golden idol in the study after overhearing a conversation between Vikram and Aditi. She had hoped to protect the family's legacy from corruption that they had bought into. Kamla had loved Raghav's father, and despite her humble status, she was fiercely loyal to the family. The investigation finally concludes when Rajesh discovers a hidden letter in Raghav's desk. written just before his death. The letter details how Raghav had planned to confront the criminals, including Vikram and Aditi, and expose their schemes. It is revealed that the murder was not just about greed but also betrayal and twisted love. Inspector Rajesh, with the help of Kamlabai, manages to bring Vikram and Aditi to justice. They are both arrested, but their love affair and the scandal surrounding them forever tarnish the once pristine legacy of the Singh family. In the aftermath, Raghav's cousin Karan inherits the Haveli, but with a heavy heart. Kamlabai, the true unsung hero, remains a quiet figure in the shadows, but her loyalty to the family never fully acknowledged. We hope this murder mystery blends elements of betrayal, love, and battle of wealth with the rich cultural backdrop of Rajasthan, adding an air of intrigue and suspense to the narrative. How did you like the story? Please do mention in the comments. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.